Your pivot table shows you the numbers, but what if you want to see the growth, percentages and differences instead? Today, I'll show you an advanced feature of pivot table that upgrades your analysis. Let's see how. This advanced feature is show value as. Right now you can see that we have got sum of sales region wise. Let's suppose we want to see the percentage of each region contributed in total sales. What I will do, I will use show value as feature. I'll click on the pivot table, go to this field setting, click on this sum of total sales field, and then I will go to value field settings. From here I will select show value as. Then I will expand this drop down and go to the first option, that is percentage of grand total. I'll press click OK, and you can see that now our sum of total sale is converted into percentages. You can see that what is the percentage of each region contributed in total sales. I am expanding the data so that you can see that without changing the underlying data, we have converted our sum of total sales into percentages. You can see that a single feature of pivot table replaces the use of many formulas. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others to help them. See you in the next video with more advanced features and latest updates.